Sometimes you just lose. At least that's always how it goes for me. I'm not the best detective in the city. I know that. But I sure do try to be, you know? I used to have someone that understood me. He was my partner and my best friend. That was until I failed him. We were hot on the case. After pulling some strings, we had an inside man. With a typical bribe for an eyewitness drawing, we knew we had this case on skates. A standard shooting in broad daylight. The mother found the victim, something you'd never wish on any mother. I never try to understand why anyone does what they do. I just have to understand how they do it. Like two mice in a maze, my partner and I were already smelling the cheese. I sometimes wish my job were harder in these moments. It feels too easy. Maybe I should have listened to my gut that day. But not this time. This time I get it. I understand the want for blood, and I intend to collect. I know you're here! Where are you?
Oh, detective. You think you're so smart. Literally, you probably think you're the smartest person on the planet. But I've outdone you, detective. I've taken to one thing you value more than yourself. No need to rush into things, literally. I'll be here all day. It's a nice handgun you got there. But what about two? Silly detective. Two guns doesn't mean anything, literally. When I keep on my body, bazooka. Well, it's a good thing I have the invincibility charm that keeps me invincible from bazookas. Silly detective. I've stopped all of your bullets with my power of telekinesis.
What? Okay, well, I suddenly gained the force, and I have a lightsaber.
We're literally not even playing Star Wars right now. We're supposed to be detectives in like the 1940s. Star Wars didn't even come out until the 1960s. How would you know about lightsabers?
It was 1977, but it doesn't matter. Okay, no takesy backsies, we'll just guns.
Ugh. Okay, I'll take your offer, detective.
I hit you. Oh, you didn't.
What's wrong, detective? Out of bullets? I call that an epic fail. Bang.
This is stupid.
Well, what else are we gonna do?
I don't know, this is dumb. I want to do something else.
Am I done being dead? Oh, cool, we play Minecraft now.
I only have 2 controllers.